They take it off. Be fast. Which one is on here? Okay. Yeah. You like it, right? Okay. It's a bicycle. Man, see that look on his face. Oh, your bicycle is yeah. Your bicycle.
Are you happy? Is laughing.
Okay. Yes, your bicycle. Uh-oh. We need pompo. Okay. It's a bicycle. It's for water. Yeah.
Where is the other legs?
Wait. Oh, hold it on. Hold it.
Oh, I want just ride.
Many hours later.
So guys, I remember I made mention of me ordering goat meat in my last vlog. Yeah, so the goat meat just arrived this night. Oh guys, this is past 10 p.m. This is almost like 10:30 p.m. So the goat meat just arrived and we had no choice. We have to arrange it this night because it's going to get spoiled if we don't. Here is the goat meat. Yeah, this is it. Meat. The both sink are filled up. Yeah, so we are just going to cut them. But guys, I'm just fitting for myself this night because this is a whole lot of work for me.
For you.
For us, I know for us, but for my own self, me as I'm here now, as I'm talking here now, I don't even have strength. I don't even have strength as I'm here now, guys. But anyway, I'm happy the meat arrived because I've been waiting for this meat. I wanted to cook egusi soup. Yeah, I've been waiting for this meat, guys. So tomorrow I'm going to be cooking my egusi soup. Egusi soup. Yeah, guys. So I'll just stop talking and join hubby so that we'll round up with the cutting of the meat very fast. It's past 1 a.m. right now. Yeah, we just finished cutting the goats, separating them. I arranged them into the freezer as well. Yeah, so I've finished. I just took my bath though. Yeah, I just took my bath. I'm on my wrapper. This is what I go to bed with every night right now. I don't really stress myself looking for night wears to wear because although the heat is not that much anymore because we don't sleep with fan now, but to me I still feel heat, but the heat is not much. It's not just as much as before. Right now it's better, but I still sleep with my wrapper. So that's it. Yeah, Owen is here sleeping, so his dad is going to come now, take him to his bed. Yeah, Owen still sleep with us in our room. Very soon he's moving to his room. Yeah, he will be moving to his room very soon. So that's it, guys. That's it for now. I'm going to try my best and wake up early as well because I need to cook. I want to prepare egusi soup. Yeah, I want to prepare egusi soup. We have been eating ogbolo, and I think the ogbolo is almost finished. But since I prepared that ogbolo, guys, it's not even up to 2 times since it's not up to 2 times that I've eaten it, because the ogbolo I was not like, after cooking it, I was not just craving it anymore. So right now I'm craving egusi soup, and I'm so happy I got my goat meat today. I'm supposed to prepare that egusi soup today though, but because I was waiting for this particular goat meat I was not able to prepare it. So thank God I've gotten the goat meat here, so I'm going to be preparing the soup tomorrow. Yes, I have a lot of things doing tomorrow. My goodness, I have a lot of things doing before we finish Owen's birthday party. Yeah, you guys know we are planning for a party. So guys, you can tell now how my color is. You can see how dark I'm looking. You see, this is how I'm looking right now. So dark. Pregnancy don't humble me. Pregnancy will humble you. Oh my god, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the vlog. Hello guys, welcome back again to the vlog. So in today's video, in today's vlog, today activity or let me say, yeah, so I'm going to be cooking egusi soup. I'm going to be preparing egusi soup rather, so you guys should join me in preparing my egusi soup. Yeah, it's been a while I prepare egusi soup. I have ogbolo soup at home, but I'm not craving that anymore. I just want to prepare egusi soup, and I'm going to be using the goat meat. The goat meat we received last night. Yeah. Welcome to this vlog, guys. this morning I'm rushing to the street market. You guys know I mentioned it on my vlog before that we want to just throw a little party for Owen. Today is Saturday, yeah, so I just quickly want to go to the street market to go and get some few things like pepper. Yeah, that's the main reason why I'm going there. And I'm also going to the supermarket to get some things. So guys, I'll take you guys along. Like, this is just the preparation, and today we are going to be cooking some things. Yeah, so I already brought out the turkey we are going to be using, because I'm going to be preparing just little bit of jollof rice. We are using turkey to prepare it, so I already removed the turkey since yesterday so that it will melt early. My face now, you will see tiredness all over my face. We just finished shopping for a drink. Yeah, we just finished shopping for a drink, so we're about to go home right now. If I get home right now, I'm not going nowhere again till tomorrow church. I'm not going nowhere again. I'm not going out of that house again till tomorrow. I'm so tired. Hey guys, welcome back again to the vlog. Guys, I'm back home. Yeah, we went to buy drink here, so right now we're at home, and this is Owen cake that I brought. Owen cake, and the meat pie is already here. Right now we have our Ketra promise. Ketra promise. I met her, she already did almost everything. Like, the turkey is ready. Like, she have cooked the turkey, everything. Like, guys, she have been happy a lot. Not be say she have been happy a lot. So right now we want to fry the turkey. Party is not easy. This is just a small party. Yeah, small party. I told you guys before, it's just a small party. We are taking takeaway to church tomorrow. Yeah, to share for the people that are coming. Yeah, and for the children as well. So I ordered for meat pie. As this is the meat pie, I ordered for 100 pieces of meat pie. We have 100 pieces of meat. We have 100 pieces of meat pie, and I'm going to be taking about maybe 60 about 60 pieces of takeaway, about 60 plates of takeaway. About 60 plates of takeaway to church as well. So yeah, the meat pie, we are going to be putting it inside the takeaway with the rice, and you know, yeah, that's it, guys. Dada. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, and sing it now. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hooray!